Welcome to the Inside Factory Secrets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and unlock more factory secrets.
Welcome inside the factory. Hydration levels stable on specimen Gamma 12. Utilizing advanced biometric scanners, we verify the authenticity and health compliance of every reticulated python in the facility.
Growth cycle stable to date. Perfect scale formation for future leather processing.
Authorization verified. Proceed with sanitized collection protocol. All certifications verified.
Good. Pushing the data to the central server now.
Neutralization stable at pH 7.
Moisture balanced. Once. Move it forward.
Moisture levels are exactly within tolerance.
Perfect. Let's move it to drying.
Expected.
Yes, the airflow adjustment worked perfectly. We are at 30% now.
Pressure stabilizing at 40 psi.
Hydration maps show full saturation on the dorsal scales.
Proceed to softening.
The flexibility index is climbing steadily right here.
Good, the oil distribution seems optimal now.
Uniform tension achieved.
The A value on this batch is still slightly off the calibrated range.
We need to adjust the tanning parameter.
Softening level optimal for work high. Scale flexibility increasing.
Emerald richness locked for luxury handbags.
The elasticity exceeds projections by 12%.
And the uniformity scan is holding steady at 99.8.
Perfect absorption. Zero streak.
Pattern alignment accuracy, 0.01 millimeters.
Begin production cuts.
All batches hold elasticity perfectly.
Thread calibration complete.
Zero tension variation. Perfect grip.
Left/right orientation confirmed.
Shape curve, excellent.
Each color receives its own formulated conditioner. Red jacket, warm shine. Ruby undertones deepen.
Layer deposition at 80%. Keep the airflow steady, please. We need full uniformity across all edges.
Maintain the temperature gradient. These curves need gentle heat so the finish settles without distortion.
Laser calibration set. Let us confirm there is no micro warping or finish pooling.
All products certified. 0 defects. These pieces meet premium export standards.
30-second air purification cycle. Make sure we get a clean particulate count before entering the packing zone. Edges are clean. No fiber lift. Continue to the protective wrap station.
Seal lines are clean. Let the robots form the contours slowly to avoid pressure marks.
RFID entries confirmed. Logistics will track every move from here to the final showroom.
Make sure the seals adhere flat. Any wrinkle will flag customs. Emboss depth is perfect. These boxes look immaculate.
The fold must hold its shape when the customer opens it.
Everything's stable. Move these to palletizing.
Make sure layer 3 aligns exactly. Customs prefers geometric symmetry for X-ray scanning.
Temperature steady. These products will not warp during transit.
Bring it back slowly. Keep the truck straight with the alignment beams.
Paperwork is perfect. Send them to customs.
Locks engaged.
Begin securing the cargo rails.
There you go. Good.
No anomalies. Everything clean.
Weight distribution is balanced. Seal the hatch.
Welcome to the Paris Distribution Hub. Let us begin intake.
All documents valid. These goods are approved for release.
These are going straight to the showroom. No stops. These must be the new luxury leather arrivals. Bring them inside gently. No scratches, no impact marks. Handle with full care.
Perfect. 0 shipping marks. No compression lines. These are absolutely ready for presentation. These go straight to the front showcase window. Make sure they are handled gently through the corridor. This color trio looks powerful. It will draw every eye on the street. Do not adjust a single light. These pieces are truly stunning. The craftsmanship is unbelievable.
These items have traveled across the world. They survive inspection, transport, temperature shifts, everything.
Just seen the secrets behind true luxury. Like, subscribe, and step deeper inside the factories.